my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a wonderful product that has actually changed my hair care game.
So I'm talking about this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. It's a serum that works for all hair types. I have straight hair, but even curly hair girls are loving it. It's a blend of 6 flower extract oils which keeps the hair healthier and manageable. I'm happy that this product is finally launched in India after hearing so much about it internationally. From the directions of usage to the various alternate uses, everything is written on the packaging itself. Though it says it's an oil, it's quite non-sticky and extremely lightweight.
And one more thing I wanted to share with you guys, that I have recently taken a smoothing treatment for my hair. I actually have naturally straight hair. My hair texture is naturally straight, but the lower portion, like the bottom 4 to 5 inches of section is wavy. I don't know why they turn wavy, but I didn't like that. So I went for a smoothing treatment below my shoulder, like starting somewhere from here. You can't even tell where the smoothing starts. See, that's how straight my hair is. So yeah, but then after having the treatment a few weeks later, I started feeling that the lower section which was chemically treated was a little frizzy, a little dry as compared to the top section, which is my natural hair. That was making me worried because it kept turning frizzier, and which was actually not a good sign, because already after pregnancy my hair was shedding like crazy and I didn't want to lose all my hair. So I started using this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. I can't tell you how impressed I am.
It gave intense nutrition to my hair. It actually provides adequate moisture to my hair, which was sucked up by the smoothing chemical, and hence helps to keep my hair frizz-free like my natural hair. So now the bottom section is also smooth and healthy like the top section, as you can see here. You can't even make a difference where the smoothing starts. It's just the color of my hair that's a bit lighter, because when we go through smoothing process, the shade of the hair becomes a little lighter. So now let me show you the way how I apply this product on my hair. So when my hair are wet, like I have just taken a head wash and I just remove my towel. Now you can see my hair is full of tangles. I'm just trying to make a center parting here, and now I'm just going to show you the way my hair looks right now. It's full of tangles, as you can see here. Now I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections, and I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. It has a sturdy pump which is very convenient to use. I'm going to take just 2 pumps for one side because I have long hair. If you have short hair, you can just go with 1 pump. Now with my fingers, I'm just applying this product like so. I'm just running my fingers throughout the length. I'm not rubbing my hair. Just make sure when you apply the product, you have to just use sliding motions. So I'm using sliding motions to apply the product all over my hair. You can see how instantly it detangled my hair. I haven't used any comb yet. It just made my hair so smooth that they got tangle free so effortlessly. Now let me show you the difference between this side and the other side. As you can see, the side where I applied the serum is quite smooth, whereas the other side has a lot of tangles, which if I try to comb can cause a lot of hair fall and hence can cause split ends. So now I'm going to apply another 2 pumps on the other side as well. Just look at that, how instantly it detangled my hair. Even on the days when I don't push my hair, I just apply 1 drop of this product to keep my hair frizz-free all day long. My hair are completely tangle free now. It seems like I have used a comb here, but I haven't used any comb. It's just this product that helped me achieve this look. Let me show you from a distance. Now you can see the hair texture before applying this product and then the after picture. Now let me show you a few more ways how I use this product.
Generally, I'm not a person who does blow drying on a regular basis, but yeah, when I'm in a rush or I have to go somewhere on urgent basis, then I just apply like 1 to 2 drops of this product all over my hair, and then I do blow drying.
You can even apply it before using any heat appliances, as it protects our hair against heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. I just comb my hair after blow dry, and you can see that the comb is sliding down so effortlessly. So this serum protects the hair from getting tangled, which generally happens after blow dry. Also, I apply 1 drop of this serum all over my hair before making any hairstyles, especially when I'm making a braid hairstyle, because normally when we make braid hairstyles, small hair tend to pop out of the braid easily and it prevents so. So I've made a braided wrap here and you can see how clean it has come out. Also, I take a little bit of the product on my fingers to apply it on my baby hair. If you have any flyaway hair or baby hair, it will tame them beautifully. You can even use it as an overnight treatment. Just apply it section by section to all your hair before going to sleep, and then you wake up with beautifully smooth hair. So now my hair has completely dried. It's 12 noon and here are the results. It's shiny and silky and quite manageable. So I'm going to show you the stay power of this product all day long at different intervals of time. So it's 2 p.m, 6 p.m and 8 p.m, and it kept my hair frizz-free all day long. So that's the best part about it. It even claims to protect our hair from sunlight. Isn't it great? Retails for ₹499, which is totally worth it. So according to me, it's a yay to this product. You should also give it a try. You can find the link in the description bar below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.